Welcome back to the channel where we help you make purchasing decisions that won't leave you crying in the aisle. Today, we're diving headfirst into the steamy world of floor cleaning with a showdown between the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop and the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop. On my left, we have the Shark S3501, a mop so powerful it could probably clean up the aftermath of a toddler's snack time. And on my right, the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop, which is just as fierce, but without the price tag that screams, "I'm a fancy mop." So grab your popcorn, because we're about to steam things up. First up, let's talk about price. The Shark S3501 is priced at $89, and many reviewers appreciate its effectiveness on various hard floors, particularly noting its ease of assembly and use. However, some feel it's a bit pricey for a mop. On the other hand, the BLACK+DECKER comes in at a wallet-friendly $49. Reviewers highlight its affordability and effectiveness, making it a great choice for those on a budget. If you're looking to save some cash while still getting a decent clean, the BLACK+DECKER might just be your new best friend. Next, let's compare heating times. Both mops claim to heat up in just 30 seconds, which is perfect for those last-minute cleaning emergencies. Reviewers for both products appreciate this quick heating feature, especially when dealing with unexpected messes. So whether you're cleaning up after a pet or a toddler, both mops give you that swift readiness to tackle the task. Now, let's get down to cleaning capacity. The Shark S3501 is designed for all sealed hard floors, and users rave about its ability to clean effectively without leaving streaks. However, some reviewers have mentioned it struggles with grout. Meanwhile, the BLACK+DECKER also cleans sealed surfaces and is praised for its ability to disinfect and clean effectively, especially on tile. Both mops are versatile, but the Shark might have a slight edge in terms of overall effectiveness on a variety of surfaces, while the BLACK+DECKER is noted for its ease of use and efficiency on tile floors. Let's talk about cord lengths. The Shark features an 18-foot power cord, giving you plenty of reach, which many reviewers appreciate. In contrast, the BLACK+DECKER has a 12-foot cord, with several users wishing it were longer. While the Shark offers more flexibility, the BLACK+DECKER is still manageable for smaller spaces. If you have a large area to clean, the Shark is likely your best bet. But for apartments or smaller homes, the BLACK+DECKER will still do the job without too much hassle. In summary, both the Shark S3501 and the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop have their strengths and weaknesses. The Shark is often praised for its cleaning effectiveness and versatility across different floor types, while the BLACK+DECKER is celebrated for its affordability and ease of use. Ultimately, the choice may come down to your budget and specific cleaning needs. So, to wrap this up, if you want the ultimate cleaning machine and you're willing to spend a little more, the Shark S3501 is your mop. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still gets the job done without breaking the bank, the BLACK+DECKER is calling your name. Remember, whether you choose Shark or BLACK+DECKER, the most important thing is that you'll have a cleaner floor and a happier home. Now, go out there and mop like there's no tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep buying smart.